All right, I got some stuff from Rough Country, so let's get over there and get into it. All right, as you can see, it's the Rough Country tow hooks. My truck didn't come with tow hooks, so I figured since it's lifted now, I might be going off-road more than I did. I might need some tow hooks in the front. So, and here's the tow hook. I don't know if you can see that very good. There's one of them. There's the other one. Passenger side, driver's side. Came with some hardware. Them two bolts go here, as you see here. They go here. The bolts that go here are already in the frame of your truck. It's the body mount bolt. It's about 9.5 inches long. So that has to be removed to put them in. And we also have some bezels. Came in the kit. In that box up there, it also came with a cool catalog for accessories for my truck. That's cool. And I had to have these because I'll show you when I take them off. I had the block off panels. So let's install these things. All right, that did give me a little more access in here. Now they say take this inner fender liner out, the bottom half of it or a quarter of it. Three screws over there, 2 in here, and it comes out. But if you got to get under here to get to these bolts, this bolt and this hole right here, see it right there? Well, my finger's hiding it, ain't it? Right there. You might as well get under the truck, not try to do it through here. Much easier. Just like I said, it's 2 screws, holds this side on right here. One on this side, one on this side. And then 2 over here on the driver's side. You see I left a screw in there. I just use a ratchet wrench and took this one out first. Oh, here you go. I took this one out first. This is a good tip because when this comes up, the bolt will hit and then you can't get the wrench off. So I already knew that. So what I did is I loosened this one, or took this one out first. That way when I loosened this one, that air dam would come down and fall off the screw or the bolt. Well, actually it's a plastic screw. So that way it didn't get hung or stuck, the wrench. Anyway, so let me take these. Let me see if I can get back over here. Right here, see if you can see up in here now any better. This is the panel I'm fixing to take out. A nut there and a nut there, and then pull down on the top to get the tab to release, and then it goes out that way towards the bumper, the outside of the bumper, outside the truck. So let me do that. Okay, I'm reaching in from the outside. As you can see, there's 2 holes here, one here, and then these are slotted. These things, it's just a nut on there. They slide onto the bezel, and then obviously over the top of the chrome bumper, and then it just tightens. They tighten the nut down and it holds them in. Pretty simple, nothing to it. Let's see if I can find the bezel and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right here it holds it in. 2 little tabs. You just reach in from the back side, pull down on it, push down on these, and it pops out. And then those, let's see, where we at? Those right there fit in the holes on the bottom side that I showed you. And then those slotted bolts with the nuts, they just slide into here. Nothing to it. So let me get the open. As you can see, this is closed. Can't put a tow hook through there. It's a block off. So let's get the other one in there and show you that. Those are torqued. Okay, as you can see, I guess you can see the 2 bolts right there. That one and that one. That one right there. Those are torqued. I torqued that one over there to, I think, 110. I torqued the body bolt to 95. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be torqued at, but I torqued it to 95. Anyway. And they just stick through. And that bezel is a pain in the butt. So let's go over to the driver's side. Okay, as you can see, I got the driver's side in. All torqued up. And I got the this air dam or air deflector or whatever you want to call it, bolted back up. I got to go to the other side and bolt it on the other side. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Tow hooks are all on. Even has a little RC on the front for rough country. Ain't that fancy? That's pretty cool. Okay. These are the old factory like block off covers where the tow hooks are supposed to go. You see this slot? It's supposed to have a square headed bolt that goes in here, and then it goes into a slot on your frame, or your bumper rather, with a nut on the top. Well, this is made, I don't know if it's because this piece right here is made different, or it's because it's all one solid piece and it won't move around. The bolts fit in here really good. It comes with, here's the kit. As you can see, it comes with hardware that fits the tow hook bezels really good. But when you tighten them up, all it does is spin. There's the head of the square of the bolt is not big enough to not turn inside that slot. And the instructions say reuse your factory hardware anyway. So why it would even come with hardware, I don't know. If it won't work, but you have to be very careful putting those in. You can't put the bolts slide and clip into these bezels. They clip in there great. The factory ones in these bezels do not, because the head's bigger and the slot in the bezel, it's not big enough for it to slide in all the way. So somebody needs to get their stuff together with that. And you can't put them in the slot before you put the bezels in the bumper, because it won't fit. You would have to squeeze the bezel in to get it to go in the hole of the bumper, because it's got to go in from the front outside of the bumper, and it won't fit with the bolts sticking out. So you got to put the bezel in the hole, then slide it. With this much room, you got to slide that bolt in there, make sure it's in the plastic and the metal slot of the bumper, and then put the nut on it. Sometimes you can put the nut on it outside and then just slide the whole thing over it, but it's easier to just put the bolt in there and then put the nut on it. So they need to redesign that, if you ask me, the way them bezels are held to the bumper. And I don't mean rough country, I mean Ram. It's a stupid design, but you take your time with it. They're in now, so as you've seen, I showed you. So hope you liked it. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.